Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying compatibility. Check your game version and the texture pack requirements so files match. Once done, back up the resource pack folder and a current save to avoid data loss. Now download the night vision texture. Zip and the correct loader like Optifine or Fabric. You need the loader to apply advanced shader or texture features. Make sure your GPU drivers are up to date so colors and brightness behave as designed when you enable the pack. Next, install the pack. Put the zip into the resource packs folder or use your mod manager to add it. Then launch with the selected loader profile. Enable shader support if the pack requires it. Once in game, open resource packs and move night vision to the top so it overrides defaults. After that, tweak video settings, brightness, gamma, and shader intensity to refine the glow and contrast. Make small adjustments and test in a dark area to finish by thoroughly testing the night vision effect across caves, night worlds, and underwater. Observe for artifacting or odd color shifts. If you see frame drops, reduce shader settings or switch to a lower resolution variant of the pack to improve performance. Should the pack not load, disable other mods one at a time to find conflicts, and restore your backup to recover a clean state if necessary. Remember to update the pack and loader when the game updates to keep compatibility and prevent future issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.